Hello, welcome. This is my first attempt at doing a Tasty Toot video tutorial. I hope you like it. In this little lesson, I'm going to show you how I turned this picture from NASA into this little mandala design. So you've already gone out, taken your pictures, and I wanted you to pick a picture and make a mandala out of it. Okay, so this is what you're looking at now is the final product. So I'm going to come back into the window menu, go to my original image, and get started. Start out by unlocking the background layer. So I'm going to click on this little lock here. We're going to make the canvas size bigger. So it's usually a good idea to unlock that background layer before you change the canvas size. That way it's transparent around it. I'm going to go to the image menu, canvas size, and then just like you've done before, go under inches, choose percent, and then relative to the size of this canvas, I'm going to go, I don't know, I think 250% taller, 250% wider. Click OK. And then my new favorite keyboard command is Command 0. That will show me the whole canvas here. Okay, now I've got my move tool. I'm going to move this layer up here to the upper left-hand side of the screen. Now, basically what I'm going to do is duplicate this layer 3 times, and I'm going to flip the layer so it creates this symmetrical kind of X. And you'll see what I mean after I do it. So, when you have your first layer here, the upper left-hand side, duplicate it by doing the keyboard shortcut, Command J. Here you see the second layer here. I'm going to drag this over to the right. You see those purple lines? It's lining up for me. There we go. You notice it's not snapping into place. If it's not snapping into place, you need to go into the View menu and choose Snap. Now when I click and drag it, it just pops right into place. Okay, and I want this image on the right to be like a mirror image of the one on the left. So to do that, I'm going to go under the Edit menu, choose Transform, and then under Transform, I'm going to flip horizontally because I moved it over horizontally, so we're going to flip it horizontally. Like so. Very cool. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is merge these 2 layers. So combining the 2 layers. Select the first layer, hold on the Shift key, select the second layer, then right click anywhere in this area here and choose Merge Layers. Now I've got this one image here, and if I move this image around, they move together as one. So now I'm going to duplicate this image, or this layer, by doing Command J on the keyboard, click and drag it down, and then because we're dragging it down this time, I'm going to flip it vertically. So under the Edit menu, go down to Transform, and choose Flip Vertical. And now I've got that X I was imagining before. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to merge these 2 layers. So click on the first layer, hold down the Shift key, click on the second layer. Now right click anywhere in this area. And I gotta scroll down, choose Merge Layers. Okay, we're not done copying and flipping yet. And you'll see where this is going in a second. So now I'm going to copy this layer 3 times and rotate the canvas in a way that makes it into that kind of star that you saw earlier. So to copy this layer, I'm going to do Command J again. And then free transform by doing Command T. And that is going to let me rotate this layer. And I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key. When I hold down the Shift key, it snaps to every 15 degrees. 15, 30, 45. It makes this kind of like a diamond here, right? It's like a straight up diamond. I hit return on the keyboard. And that will transform it. So now I'm going to copy this layer and turn this layer 45 degrees. So Command J to copy that layer. Command T to transform it. And then I'm going to bring my cursor outside this box, hold down the Shift key, and then click and drag. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Hit return on the keyboard. And then one more time, copy the layer, Command J, Command T to transform, and I'm going to go 45 more degrees to the right, clockwise. So 1, 2, and 3. Yep, just like that. Sorry about that, little pause. I had to figure something out. Hit return. Okay, well, what's happening here? Not enough stuff is going on, right? Like, it still doesn't look like my final product, which is this. How do we get to this point, Zbarth? You go back into the window menu, choose that file we were working on. Now's a great time to save it. So let's go to File, Save As. I'll save this on my desktop. I'll do Photoshop File, Format, and then Save As Mandala. Click Save. Okay, now we're going to use this feature here. This is the blending mode. And you saw this when I was playing with the Citizen Kane poster earlier. I'm going to set the blending mode for the top 3 layers as, if I look under Normal, Lighten. There we go. So there's the top layer. I'm going to choose the second layer. Under blending mode, choose Lighten. So what this is doing is it's letting the light pixels shine through below. And then the third layer here, under Normal, choose Lighten. Just like that. Leave the bottom layer as normal. Once we've done that, let's crop it. So I'm going to go over to the crop tool, click and drag to crop out all the little checkerboard stuff. Hit return. So this is going to look a little bit different because we started with different images, but I hope you like your design. We're going to post this on WordPress. And have fun, have a good time. I'll see you when you turn around and I'm sitting at my desk talking to you. Goodbye.